First order of the day just came in. It is a Starbucks, $10 going like 3 miles. I really hope this isn't drive-through only. Hello.
Mary?
Yes.
There's 4 drinks and food in there, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Finally got my next order. This is a stacked Walmart. $21 going about 7 miles. Do it in the same order you gave me. So whatever is 202 can go in the trunk.
Okay.
Is it just napkins?
Yep.
Okay. Weird.
I know.
Next order just came in. It is a Jack in the Box, $11 going under 5 miles. Don't know why people park like this. Thank you. Wait in car. Okay, I could do that.
What up, man?
There you are.
1 and 2, that's all of it?
Yep.
Sweet, thanks, sir.
Have a good one. Looks like the next order just came in. This one is for Jamba Juice, $8.53 going 5.5 miles. There's no chance of a hidden tip on this one because it's such a specific number that it's ending in, but it's still a good order. I don't see anyone else here, so this might be ready for me. No, I got one. Thank you, though.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You as well. Never seen a restaurant staple food to the outside of the bag, so that's a first. Once down, dead end. First duplex on left, right half of duplex, unit 2. Open garage, green truck. Please leave in garage. Red chair, thanks. I'm sorry, what? There's no punctuation in these directions, so once down dead end, it's the first duplex on the left, right side of the duplex, unit 2, okay? I'm assuming the garage is gonna be open with a green truck inside. Please leave in garage on the red chair, thanks. Okay, I think I got it now.
Destination will be on the left.
Is it this? I think it's this.
Make a U-turn, then sharp left.
On the wrong side. It is in fact not this. Okay, no, what is this order? Shop and deliver for PetSmart, right? $5.75 going 4 miles. Okay, bad order. 85 items. What? What are you even saying to me right now? Next order just came in. This is Voodoo Donut, $10.75 going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Thank you. When I tell you I can't see the numbers on any of these doors, there it is. Ooh, total ended up being $13 for that order. Pretty sure I got offered this order like 4 times now. So I'm caving and I'm gonna take it to Taco Bell, $7.75 going under 5 miles. Is it open? That is the question. Well, I saw people in the drive-thru Lobby looks closed. Thank you.
Have a good afternoon.
You too. Next order just came in. This is a Burger King. I believe it said $10 going like 3 miles. Thank you.
Drop off.
Okay. Yeah, I'm in like a little alleyway, so I think I found it then.
Yeah, it should be down that way.
Thank you so much. Next order up is for Victoricos. This one is $9.50 going like 7 miles. Kind of high mileage, but I've got a feeling it might be paying better than what it's showing me. Yeah. Thank you. You too. Damn, those are some heavy burritos. And I was right. Total ended up being $13.75 for that order. Next order just came in. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11.75 going just under 8 miles. Only one item.
Or we could do a peace song and Larry's. And then if you can find it, we can talk about us having cider.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me? Alright, that's gonna be it for today. I am starving. Current time is 11:25. Total is 111. I don't think I'm waiting on any Uber tips either. So that's the total for today. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.